Traditional cat litter boxes are not a good choice to avoid odors and litter tracking, and are very inconvenient to use in daily busy life. Most automatic cat litter boxes are so expensive, so we created Igloo, an affordable modern cat litter box with fully automatic and fully enclosed design. Igloo initiates a 90-second cleaning cycle that funnels all wastes into a tightly sealed receptacle. All you have to do is to discard the waste bag once in a while. You will never have to scoop again. You can choose from 3 different working modes. For most convenience, you can use the fully automatic self-cleaning mode within an hour after the cat left. For individual use, you can control Igloo through the app. And if you don't want to get disturbed, you can use the quiet night mode. The soft silicone footstep can reduce litter tracking and spillage. With Igloo, you can always keep your home fresh and clean. Safety for your cat is most important. If a cat enters the device during cleaning process, the device will immediately stop cleaning and only continue to work after the cat has left. Through the app, you can connect with Igloo wherever you are, keep records, and even could receive notifications after your cat has used the litter box. Igloo is easy to use and makes life more convenient for you and for your cat. So please, support us and back us today.